Telecommunication carriers are finding that there's a real gap between fibre to the home and fibre to the node. With fibre to the home, there's fibre run all the way into the premises, and that can be very expensive, especially when there's fibre that needs to be dug up in people's gardens and distributed all the way into the house. The problem with fibre to the node, though, is that the copper lengths between the node and the house are so long that the speeds available using traditional VDSL technologies is much lower than the speeds that are available from fibre to the home. So fibre to the distribution point is a real nice middle ground between fibre to the home and fibre to the node. The benefits of fibre to the distribution point is that it's halfway in between fibre to the node and fibre to the premises, and you really get the best of both worlds. It has the cost effectiveness of fibre to the node because you don't have to run the fibre all the way into the house, but it has the throughput speed benefits of fibre to the premises because it is so close to the house that the speeds available over that last 100 metres of copper is very good compared to regular fibre to the node. The beauty of the device is that it can be installed en masse down a street. A technician can come and service an entire street of properties and cut the cabling in the pit and install the device with only a couple of minutes service outage to the end user. And this means that the carrier doesn't have to worry about calling up and making appointments with individual houses to install the gear. They can do it en masse down the street in bulk, and that makes it much more cost effective to roll out. And then when the user is ready to start their service, they can simply plug in the reverse power feeder inside the home, and that's a small unit that looks like a normal power plug, and that provides power, injects it back into the copper infrastructure and powers the FTTdp unit remotely.